Thanks to this trick, my house smells like the rich house. To start this tip, I will use 3 limes. With the help of a knife, we will cut into 2 parts, the same way I'm doing in the video. This recipe will surely surprise everyone who visits your home. The ideal is the use of 3 limes, each prepared in a different way, for different rooms in your home. Next, we will put the limes individually, in small containers to complete our tip. In the first lemon, we will start by adding a small amount of coarse salt. I will make each lime with a different aroma, to put in different environments of my home. The second essential item for use is alcohol. I will use 3 tablespoons, which is necessary for the preparation of our first mixture. Any visit I receive at home asks me about the smell that is in all environments. For the second lime, I will add the coarse salt again. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Lyria Melissa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now I will add fabric softener. This is ideal for use in your room. Will always have the smell of sheets, and also clean clothes. If you prefer, you can even use disinfectant or other aroma you prefer for the use of this tip, for being very versatile. I'm sure after making this tip, you will come here to thank me for the result that will have in your home. Finally, I will repeat the process in the third line, again applying the coarse salt, and then 3 tablespoons of alcohol. I hope you get the same smell I have in my house after I started using this mixture with a low cost, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your home. It will be the best tip you can do and easily. The differential of the latter is the use of cloves, besides assisting directly in the aroma of the environment, also acts as insect repellent. And remembering that the use of each of these mixtures is up to 2 weeks. Within this time, the smell will be used to the maximum. You will not regret doing. I hope you liked our tip today. Have the house smell as good as I have in mine? Then tell me what was your experience with this tip. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.